Coming to Portland.
St. Mary.
The port of St. Mary.
Portland. St.
I don't know we're outside today on the holiday. I don't know where we're going.
Oh, we're going out.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Pop, pop, pop. We don't know.
You got the black and white crew, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We don't know white shirt, so we wear marina. Nah, no clothes.
Lord God.
And we don't want no clothes.
That's a you.
We have to walk naked. God, them no.
Big up, you know, Team Sashel.
Yeah, man.
Outside called Team.
What?
The Omniflipen. Come on.
Be my glory ever. Till my rapture soul shall find. My glory ever. Till my
Rebel shot.
rapture soul.
Look at him, man. Rest. Oh, God. We just in the river, but okay.
My life had so many low seasons, a lot of failures without reasons. Many people tried so many times to tear me down. Never prayed I tried to pick me up off the ground. They said I wasn't gonna make it very far. Look in my life and I got so many scars. Wasn't easy but I really worked hard. Always having Father God in my heart. Don't count me out yet, I'm still running. Found them but I got up fighting. My eyes are on God's kingdom always. And I won't stop until I finish this race. Don't count me out yet, I'm still running. Fell down but I got up fighting. My eyes are on God's kingdom always. And I won't stop until I finish this race. I know I'm not where I'm supposed to be, but I'm trying to be the man God wants me to be. Don't let nobody distract me from my dreams, even if my friends turn my enemies. Honestly, sometimes I feel so lonely, and now I never got this walking with me. I say one set of footprints in the sand. It was God always carrying me.
That I love you, take it seriously. 'Cause for a man to love a woman isn't that easy. Things I know I do it just for you to do. I can do
Every day.
Ready again. Are we twin two, you know? You know, go on good.
I see Paul in Wago. I see Paul. The girl on the corner in farmer. The girl on the corner in farmer. 'Cause she a fight on me and the girl. We used to move close, but now we move closer. If in a no, go each other, just each other come here, so.
Alright. I'm happy for everything.
Here's what?
Ow.
Yeah?
Get the backers.
Oh, yes, you see? A hot one too.
I just assure you. That's why I'm
Number.
sure.
Number.
Number.
don't know, I'm
Man on the
a
crack
crackers
now.
here.
Uncle
We don't
I.
have uncle
Nah,
for
man
food.
I. Uncle I. That is it.
Come out there on the Corolla. Hold them markets. Where are you say reach? Yeah, you need a drive, brother. What? You can reach 4. We check say man don't know where this is with them, brother. Me under the markets there.
Yeah, we are going on the road to Spring Garden. Look at it. This is how it looks like. And these are the driver, watch your patrol, please.
He's so humble, roaring. I'm walking through this valley of tests, and I've never been a week caught in the wilderness. The power of God preserves I, guiding in all I do. So treading through the heights and the depths, we trample frustration and we conquer stress. The power of God preserves I and guides in all I do. So all the evils that mean me harm can go back where they came from. No demonic works perform shall prosper. Yeah, I tell you of your hand desire.
Okay.
We last hour just a come back. Buff me.
No. No, feed people, mother. No much tree. You're back in the what's it, rural? We're passing back on the pretty road. We're going to a next
road.
river. It's called, what it called again? Rose End. So we're approaching the police station, Buff Bay police station right about now, and we are going to go
One very well
back
up before there and the caca go
around the corner.
Before there.
Those are the choir. Back
Yeah, mama wanga me ya one before the night and the caca go crow me ya.
before the mama wanga. Yeah. We're in traffic, people. We're in traffic on the country road. Be not alarmed.
One very well up before there and the caca go crow me ya. Before there.
This is how Buff Bay look like. Buff up. So we're in the town now. We're
Who them?
Oh. A film place, man. Out here! Berto, where you gone?
New government, give thanks.
Sing it.
You know, every day,
Realest thing here in our world, brother.
we give thanks.
For real.
You spend all that money on your watch. How much time you spend with your son? So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and choose the fence where you keep. You now watch where you eat. When last you get a good.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like there richest man in Babylon. And I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning, I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air, as far as I can.
In this life, in this life, in this life, it is a sweet life, girl.
Coming in from the cold.
Coming in, 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 coming in,
Coming in from the cold.
It's you, it's you, it's you I'm talking to. Well, you I'm talking to now. There's a natural mist